A very good evening and welcome to yet another vlog here on Theme Park Worldwide. Tonight we are here at Old Town in Kissimmee, where we're about to do a few different attractions and also make our way over to Fun Spot to do a few rides and ride on Mind Blower for the first time. We're going to start off by going on the Vomitron, which is just behind me here. Look at the size of this, an absolutely huge booster that I can't wait to get on. We've actually spoken to the guys here who've invited us down and also allowed us to use our chest-mounted GoPro on this attraction. And then we're also going to go on the Slingshot just behind me here as well. Yet again, we'll take you along for the ride. And yeah, really looking forward to this one. It's going to be me and Brett who are going to be riding this. The other guys are going to be staying off. And of course, they'll get a bit of off-ride footage whilst we're on there. And I'll take the GoPro on for a bit of POV action. Like I say, once we've done these, we'll make our way just over to the back there and Fun Spot, which is another attraction owned by a different company, and go and do some of their rides and Mind Blower as well. So join us throughout the vlog. Firstly, let's go on Vomitron. It's a very different style booster attraction. It looks awesome, and look at the seating style on this one. Very different. So obviously the seats are tilted back just there. It's got a beautiful LED lighting package on it. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this one. So yeah, let's get on for the ride. Here we are then, getting on Vomitron. Excited for this one?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, bring it on.
We're going to do 70 miles an hour.
70 miles an hour.
Yep, pull 4G.
4G.
The only time you flick is 200 feet.
Wow.
The best advice that I can give to you, do not close your eyes. We're going to do 14 laps. 7 forward, 7 backward.
Kissimmee, Vomitron.
Oh yes. There we go. Whoa! Wow, that view. Oh, oh my God, bumpy. bumpy. Crazy, yeah, some stunning views from up here. Let me show you on the old GoPro. So obviously I think we're going to go the other way now. Did he say 7 flips one way and 7 back? So just, yeah, it's quite interesting when you look at it here, because obviously it's slanted. Not seen a booster like that before where it's on a slant. Oh, here we are. Right, we're going front ways now. Normally this is a lot more intense when you're going over this way. So yeah, oh, look at Old Town down there. Looks beautiful with all the lights. Well, let's get it's on max speed. Oh yes. Whoa! Fantastic. So good. I can really feel that 70 miles an hour. Woo! Oh yes. That was good. That was really good.
The views are insane.
Yeah, the views really make this one. Oh my God.
I don't know about you, but I expect it to be a bit more intense.
Yeah, I thought it might be a little bit more intense than what it is. You can certainly feel like the speed on that though.
Look at Mind Blower there, yeah.
Oh, really good views down there towards Fun Spot.
It's intense, isn't it?
Yeah, I'd definitely say so. I have certainly been on more intense boosters, but obviously this is quite a unique ride to the Orlando area. Got the Ferris wheel just over there on the left. Very enjoyable that there. Obviously a really good thrill. And there we go.
How was it?
Yeah, Vomitron. It was good, fast, really fast. Here we are then. Ready to go on the Slingshot.
This one here, we're going to do 120 miles an hour, pull 6G. We're going to hit roughly 400 feet in about 6 seconds.
Sounds good to me. See you at the other side.
Yeah. You guys want to count down 3, 2, 1 or just let it fly?
Let it fly.
Right on. Your anxiety's through the roof, hands on
The anticipation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Of knowing what's about to happen to us. When we sprung up on through bungee cables. Woo!
Alrighty. Seat time.
Woo!
Alrighty. See ya.
Hey. Wonderful. Hey. That wasn't that bad. That really wasn't that bad. Yeah, I was expecting a little bit more there.
Yeah.
Again, I've been on more forceful versions.
I mean, again, a good ride, but I think I prefer the booster, honestly.
Yeah, same for me. And of course, with this, it's kind of like a bit like an SNS shot tower. You have your initial launch, and after that, you don't really get lots, do you? Whereas the booster keeps on giving. Like, maybe you're only here for a short amount of time, or have to choose between one attraction. I'd definitely go for the booster out of the two of these, the Vomitron. Well, there we are. It was still very good fun though. It still offers a great thrill.
All right, fellas, we're gonna ride a little differently this time. Kick your legs straight out in front of you. Now reach for them toes. I want you to stay like that as long as you can.
Power launch.
All right, this thing works just like a swing. So when you hit the top and you feel it start to lean backwards, kick them legs out real hard.
Round number 2 on Slingshot.
Here we go.
Send it up, mate. Whoa! That's much better. Oh. Oh yes. Brilliant.
That was good.
That was a lot better than the first time. Hey, oh! Whoa! Way!
That's better.
We're gonna get another flip.
Yeah.
Way! Oh, I thought we were gonna go backwards then.
That was better.
Yeah, that was much better than the first run.
That was really good.
Yeah. So that's the tip to this one. If you only got one go, I would say the staff on here tell you that anyway. If you're just having one go for the flip, but yeah, you want to put your legs out and your arms out and touch your toes, or try and touch your toes, and you get a good spin. And my shoelace is undone, so I'm lucky that my shoe did not come flying off. Always secure your loose articles, people. I can't quite believe this, but me and Brett have just had our 2 goes on it, but more about that in a moment. But most importantly, I've managed to persuade Alex Crump, the milkman, and also John to have a go on Slingshot. I think John looks a little bit scared.
His girlfriend's more scared than he is.
Have you both ever done one of these before? You're gonna absolutely love it. You'll enjoy the views, enjoy the thrill.
It's actually, yeah, it really is. So don't ride with your cage on. Your eyebrows say, oh my god.
Have a nice ride.
Close your eyes, don't hold your breath. I'm just not going to swear, more importantly. That's going to be the hard one right now. Countdown, no countdown. What's the moment?
Here we go.
We'll promise you'll do it, yeah? Don't do 10. I'm nervously laughing. So good.
Get ready for a bit of a swing above Orlando.
3, 2, 1, 6.
Yeah! They love it. So we had our 2 goes, didn't we? The first one, we went on it, we thought, yeah, you know, it was all right, but we preferred the booster.
Vomitron.
Yeah, just next to it, the Vomitron. As it's called officially, yeah, not just the booster as I'm calling it. And then, of course, we had our second go, where, like I said on the GoPro, we put our legs out and our arms out, and that was considerably better, wasn't it?
Well, a lot better.
Yeah, a lot better.
We got a lot more flips.
A lot more flips.
Gs.
Yeah, a lot more G. You could really feel that 4G or whatever you pull on that one. That was really good, that second ride. Part of me still prefers Vomitron, you know.
I think it's just a better ride in terms of you get more of a cycle, you can enjoy.
Longer ride, much longer ride. But here come the boys.
I mean, if you're in town, you've got to do both, haven't you?
Yeah, you have got to do both. Definitely recommend it. Come down here and check these guys out. And here they are. How was it? Are you alright?
Brilliant.
You enjoyed it? Oh. Oh. It's only fake crying, he's alright.
You don't want to go again?
I think you should send him again.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, the best staff ever there. The best staff. That was great. Brilliant. This guy, he's a funny guy up there. Funny guy. brilliant, really good fun. And of course, yeah, Vomitron, like we say, that was really good as well. We came straight off that onto Slingshot, but that was brilliant. I think I just prefer that, you know, because the long cycle, like Brett was saying, and just genuinely a really enjoyable experience. Still not the most intense booster I've done, but it's a good, unique experience out here in Orlando. There's nothing else quite like it, is there?
Yeah.
Is he going again?
He don't want to do it again.
What about if I come on with you, Alex?
Get in the seat. I will ride with you if you're sat next to me.
Oh, wow. Should we have no countdown on this one?
Yeah, I think we.
Yeah.
Amber.
We'll just go with the flow. So me and Alex are on. He said he'd ride it again if I came next to him.
Sorry, Amber.
Yeah.
Promise I'd stop doing this crazy stuff.
It's great.
Oh God. To watch him press the button, you know. Oh, he's blocking it with his finger.
What did you say? You want a countdown?
No countdown. Oh, legs out, legs out. Oh.
I hate this ride.
Flip me.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh God, is it over? Is it
It's not over quite yet.
Oh, I hate this ride. I hate you, I hate everything. Oh my God.
I think we can get him to send it again, you know.
No. Don't, please. I can't do this. I don't like, please. I'm not even joking. All the times we have a laugh, mate. This is not one. I am not okay. Oh, I hate this.
Send it again.
No, don't.
Rewind.
No, I don't want to do it anymore.
One more. So of course a big thank you to the guys there that operate the Orlando Starflyer who invited us down to come and check out the two attractions that you saw the on-ride footage from there. A big thank you to those for being so kind and inviting us down and of course allowing us to film on ride. So we made our way into Fun Spot. This is an amusement park where you pay per ride or you can get a wristband, but after a certain time in the evening, which tonight was 8:45, you can actually get your wristband for half price, which is really good. So we've got a wristband. We've just done the go-karts. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to film on any rides here. I did try and ask the management and it was a strict, nope, you can't film, so fair enough.
Champion!
Oh, hang on a minute.
Champion! Ole, I won!
Hang on a minute. Did he win, Brett?
Do you take this man seriously? Let's be honest, Sean. We've clearly battered him, haven't we?
Exactly.
I was winning that race till a girl stopped. She just stopped in the middle of the track.
Last one back to the stand.
Last one back is a loser, isn't it?
But we're all going to be winners now. Do you know why?
Why?
We're about to ride this incredible roller coaster called Mind Blower. Here we are. Now we did ride it earlier on and this thing was crazy on the front. I want to try it at the back. I want to try in the middle of the train. This coaster is absolutely stunning. Manufactured by Gravity Group, wooden track, steel support structure, opened last year, and wow, this thing rides absolutely crazy.
You've got nothing to prove your winning streak on me on this.
Honestly, this ride though, mind blower. Here we go.
What happens to your phones if you take them on? Don't worry, it's only Samsung.
It's a shame that we can't take you on, but I'll show you a little bit of off-ride footage of the ride in action. Of course, just getting up the lift hill now. It's about to come down this drop. I'll move a bit further around this way. Here we go. Wow. Of course, the ride does also feature one inversion, and I'll show you some footage of that momentarily. Let's go and get our mind blown.
Welcome back, everyone.
I was really not expecting that coaster to be anywhere near as good as what it was there. That was absolutely incredible. I thought I might really enjoy it, but wow, I ranked that coaster. I'm going straight in with it. That's my #2 coaster in Orlando after Mako at SeaWorld. Bear in mind, there's so much competition here on coasters, so many different rides, so many different models, but that is absolutely insane. Mind blower here at Fun Spot in Kissimmee. You wouldn't expect me to say that one of my favourite rides in the area is here, but it certainly is. That ride has not let up. I know that Gravity built some excellent coasters, but that really is something else. It's a special ride. All the elements, it really doesn't let up, all the way from the top of that lift hill to the brake run at the end. That is absolutely insane. Coming down the first drop, of course, is brilliant, and then up into the inversion just here. You've also got loads of airtime, some really good near miss elements, especially on the left hand side of the train, and it's a short train on it as well. It's worth pointing out that it's a lot shorter than a lot of other coasters. Of course, coming round here, the head choppers on the left hand side and the right are great. Definitely better for me on the left hand side, and the front row for the head choppers. What an absolutely insane, incredible roller coaster. I just was not expecting that to be anywhere near as good as what it was. But I'm struggling to speak tonight. It's absolutely roasted. Look at the sweat on me. Like, it's crazy, the humidity of this trip. What an absolutely amazing ride. Here's some more shots of it in action, and let's go and hear what the boys thought. Okay then, it's come to the end of our night then. A bit of a short vlog this one. Just wanted to come up here and of course do the attractions that we were invited to come up and do by the guys that own the Starflyer, and of course who wanted us to come up and do the bungee, the slingshot, and of course when we went on the booster ride as well. And of course Mind Blower that we really wanted to come up and do. We've done the other flat rides and stuff up here as well, but in terms of this Fun Spot Park, I'm not a massive fan of some of the operations and the feel of it. But Mind Blower, like I said earlier on, for me, it is the second best roller coaster in Orlando. But Alex, what do you think to this ride? Was your mind blown?
My mind was blown. I mean, normally my reviews of these rides tend to be quite long-winded, and people are sat there thinking, oh god, here we go, there's another review. I'll try and keep it short this one. I'll keep it to 3 words. It was safe, it was clean, it was fun.
Hey, on a serious note, it's a gorgeous ride.
It's a very nice coaster. This one right here behind me, I think I can present the weather on BBC East Midlands or whatever today. Really fun ride. My second favourite coaster in Orlando.
Same as me.
I said it earlier on, but these guys agreed later on. Better on the front row in my opinion.
Yeah, I completely agree.
Great with the LED lighting. It's a night coaster for me, definitely. Maybe a sunset coaster would be nice too. And the fact that that inversion just over there is so visible, that was good timing, like I planned it. That inversion is so visible over there. It's a great photogenic spot, and it's a very good looking coaster, and I'm very, very impressed with it, I must say.
Yeah, like, it's a gorgeous ride.
It's a coaster I'd like to see in the UK, that's what I was going to add.
Yeah, and what did it cost, did we say, like $6 million or something like that?
What it's worth, I think that's a great coaster for a great price, to be honest.
Yeah, I really like it, and Brett, you really like this one as well. You've done it already before until we came.
Yeah, it's really good, really good. I think great investment for the park, honestly. I mean, as we said, I feel like they could work on the marketing a bit, not really.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the branding at all.
Yeah, well, the parking used to be $20 and it's now free.
Well, apparently that sign's been the same for a very long time.
For a few years, but it looked like it was a deal for the day.
But on a serious note, I think it's a good investment for the park, and it'd be nice to see more parks get these sort of styles of rides.
Yeah. Completely agree, but no, it's been really nice. We've had a really good laugh tonight. There's been some funny moments, and of course a big thank you to the guys who let us come up and do the attractions, and of course we've had a good time tonight at Fun Spot. It's a shame really, because like I love to promote these parks and with these rides, and it's a shame they don't allow the on-ride filming. I did speak to some of the management, they wouldn't let me use the GoPro if they checked it over or anything, which is fine, but it's just a shame really, because obviously we've raved about this coaster. I would have really liked to have took you on board with that one, so you could have really felt it yourself and see what it's like. But all I can suggest is get yourself out here and come and experience that ride. It's a brilliant coaster, really nice attraction, and of course thank you for watching another video here from Florida here on Theme Park Worldwide. There's still so much to come on this trip, so make sure you check out our other videos, and of course thanks to these guys for a fun evening. It's been really nice and good to see you, Brett. I'm sure we'll see you again at some point in the future.
Hopefully he's going to take us home. I mean, fingers crossed, it'll be a good start.
I hope so, yeah.
You've got the iDrive trolley, mate.
What?
Oh,
no! He's the worst Uber driver I've ever had. That means it's time to cue those credits. See you later.
Not the eye trolley.